Greetings, comrades. Welcome to the final part of the BEON PC upgrade. We finally got our heatsink in the mail and an I/O shield. So let's get started. In preparation for the I/O shield, we had to take out the whole motherboard. Still new in package, just like that. Ding! Alright, let's pop that sucker in place. Get these cables out of the way. Easy. Easy. Okay, now I'll be lining up motherboard and preparing to... Oh my Jesus Christ. Okay, I give up. I'm not making videos anymore. I'm done. Alright, I don't quite know if you can see it from here, but USB port and HDMI are switched. I got gypped. They sent me the wrong one. Alright, well, we'll have to do a little bit of modification, I guess, because I'm not buying a new one. I mean, it was like $6, but still. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing here... What I'm going to be doing here is extending this spot for the USB ports. As you can see, if you look at where the I/O actually is, USB and HDMI got switched. So I'll just be carefully taking my wire snips here. Well, this is an important demonstration of why you should always have the proper tools. It's close enough. It'll do. And as long as you don't, put your finger right on it, you should be fine. God, that's so sketchy. But there we go. So now we'll get the case back up here. Reinstall the shield. See, didn't cut myself yet. Yeah, I'm actually building a death trap, in case anyone wanted to know. Get our motherboard screws back out. After all that, I forgot about the heatsink. I gotta put the heatsink on before I put the motherboard in. Alright, so here we go. Official unboxing. Wow, look how slim that thing is. And it even comes with thermal compound. Thanks, Silverstone. Wow, look at that copper block. Whew. The Intel stock fans don't even have copper blocks anymore. Of course, I think that's just because they assume you'll buy a new cooler. Not entirely sure how you're supposed to get this open without scissors. Alright, now I'm probably going to go make a bunch of you real enthusiast types get very upset with my application here. There we go. So now before we position it, we want to figure out what's the best cable routing here to get this CPU cable out of the way. CPU fan cable. Since we know it makes almost a total 360. Perfect, just like that. Now, just looking at these pins on the bottom here, I think this will be a lot easier to apply if it's actually in the case. So I'm going to be very careful not to get my hands all covered in thermal compound because it's just kind of gross. Okay, there we go, motherboard in place now. Just cables off to the side again. So for these kinds, you just push down in the corners to get it through the board. Oops. And you twist to lock them in place. Okie doke. Now we can begin plugging everything in. So first we'll start with the front panel, or at least the switches. Reset switch there. Power button there. Now I'll go with the SATA cable in the bottom. Now this one's a tight fit. You actually have to route the power cable under the latch, around the back, and in to get it to fit. Now I'll take the USB 2.0 cable. Now we can take our front panel. Oh man, it looks so close, but I measured it, so it's gonna fit, which it did. That is like the tightest thing I've ever done though. Oh. All right. Like, talk about nerve-wracking. Okay. When you plug in LEDs, you always want to make sure the polarity is correct. So there's a positive and a negative side. Otherwise it won't light up. So here, I make sure the positive is on the left-hand side, where it should be in this kind of motherboard. And then now I'll do the same with the other LED. USB 3.0 is a big thick cable here. Now we'll want to hook in our SATA power and the SATA cable. And that's it. The whole thing finally together. Well, almost all the way. Okay, so now we'll screw in front panel. screw in the side panel. And now we're done. That's it. That's the whole PC all together. So you thought the video was over? Nope, we haven't put an operating system on it yet. So, we're going to do Windows 10 off of our very official, licensed Microsoft USB. Now this is a USB 2.0 flash drive onto a spinning disk. This part's going to take a while. I'll time-lapse it. Okay, you hear all that noise? That's coming from the power supply. I just had the side of the case off. Listen to the fans. Nope, not coming from the main chassis. It's that power supply. Well, that's what I get for buying a really cheap one. Well, that took so long. Made myself dinner. And it's still running. Caesar salad. Ah, here we go. Yes. Live in the United States. Yes. Skip. No, Cortana, go away. No, 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 no. And we go through this really long screen. Well, thank you for watching. There's Windows 10 fresh installed onto the BEON PC. We did it.